This is an introduction to the content for the virtual event on SAP Cloud Platform Workflow. The content brings together over a series of 10 exercises a number of SAP Cloud Platform topics centered around the SAP Cloud Platform Workflow service, but also covering setting up the Cloud Connector to establish connectivity to an on-prem environment, using the SAP Cloud Platform Portal service to create an SAP Fiori Launchpad site, exploring the SAP API Business Hub, and using the Workflow Service API directly. From the Workflow Service perspective, you'll create, deploy, and extend a workflow definition, interact with tasks in the standard My Inbox app, and monitor and inspect workflow instances, initiating them from the monitor itself and also from a third-party application. The material is available publicly on GitHub, as you can see here, and it's in the form of a repository. Here's a quick introduction to the overall structure of the repository. In the main README, we have a short description, some notes on how the material is organized and how to follow the exercises. And you'll also see here a link to each of the 10 exercises in the repo itself. Further down in the README, there's some extra information and links to other material. And perhaps most importantly, and what needs to be covered in this introduction, is a link to a list of prerequisites for this content. Now, the prerequisites are described in a separate README here, and if we go through them one by one, we'll see that you'll need the latest version of Chrome, which you can get from here. You'll also be interacting with the Workflow API, and you're going to be using Postman to do that, which you can get from here. All the links on the left are being shown here on the right. In order to successfully and consistently install, set up and run an SAP Cloud Connector, we're going to be using a containerized version of the SAP Cloud Connector, and for that we have Docker Desktop as a prerequisite. So you can download it from this page here. If you can't or don't want to use Docker Desktop, you can still completely take part in all of the exercises. The only difference is that when you're defining a destination to an on-prem environment, you'll be going directly to it on the internet rather than to it through an SAP Cloud Connector. And that difference is explained when you get to it in the appropriate exercise. From a services perspective, you'll need an SAP Cloud Platform trial account. You can go to this link here to register and sign up. I've already done that, and I can enter my trial account here. And this is what you should expect to see once you've signed up and your trial account has been created for you. You'll also need an account on ES5, which is a demo system, an SAP NetWeaver Gateway demo system. You can sign up at the link here. I've already signed up, so you can see that I am then, of course, able to reset my password if I need to, or delete my account. Once you've signed up, it's definitely worthwhile checking that you can access an OData service. This is an example OData service that we'll be using in the exercises. And you can also, of course, if you need to, if you wish to, log on directly to the SAP system itself. Here's an example of that OData service. There's the service document for the Enterprise Procurement Model reference application for shops. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.